Hi, my name is Mitch Sutherland. I'm the owner of Encapsulations Down Under, and I've had the great opportunity to work with Cory for the last 3 years on helping us build our business and help expand our services that we offer. I had the opportunity to meet Cory through a crawl-space think tank. It was actually a Facebook group where there were about 12 to 15 other foundation owners across the nation that just came to this group to kind of give marketing ideas to each other, or logistical techniques or things we're going through. And he kind of took me under his wing and guided me along through the process of building the business. As many business owners probably already know, one of the biggest challenges that we face is garnering leads. There's marketing companies that offer for you to pay thousands of dollars for leads. There's kickback programs, all types of things installed. And our biggest issue was just trying to get our feet wet, trying to figure out how we can garner leads. And we weren't offering a main service that Cory happened to be offering, which was structural repair. And once we really added that to our repertoire, we were having to turn down jobs with structural repair because most companies or most homeowners wanted a one-stop shop or someone that could do it all. And so when I had to turn those jobs down repetitively, saying, hey, we can't do the structural, you could have them do that, but we'll do the encapsulation or we'll do the mold removal, that was really hindering our growth. Once Cory took the steps to explain, show, and teach the process of structural repair and things like that, our business really elevated and our leads grew as well. In my opinion, the best ability is availability. And anytime we came into a situation we necessarily didn't feel comfortable with or didn't know what to do, Cory was always a phone call away or a text away to help walk us through the problem and try to help us and guide us in any way possible, which then allowed us to complete the job. That was either during the job, that was pre-job, so I'm bidding the job, so I take as many photos and pictures to help him guide through the process, or like I said, during the job I'm in a sicky situation or something came up that I didn't understand or wasn't expecting. Cory has taught me many different things. The primary thing that we really focused on to help take our business off was him incorporating structural repair, teaching me what sill plate was, how to replace it, how rim board is replaced, proper repair techniques of joists or beams and things like that. He also has done many long conversations about marketing advice or warranty advice, even sales advice. He's very knowledgeable in many categories of business and has been a great resource for me to anytime I needed to make a phone call or a text. Cory was always there to give some advice or even a long talk. As a first-time business owner, you don't know every problem that you're going to encounter. So I don't even have a solution in mind for it because I can't understand that problem until it comes. And when I was running into those situations, Cory was always there to help guide me through that process because he'd already been through it, or he was even telling me of problems that eventually you're going to run into. I can't tell you the number of times where I look back and I go, Cory was right on that. I remember our first big structural job. I necessarily was not prepared or aware of what we were necessarily getting into. And so I took before pictures and video, and he helped build my quote to try to, properly budget to maximize profits, but also be a fair price point to earn the job or bid the job. And once we received that and got that, acceptance, that was like a big, oh my goodness, we're doing this. And once we did that first structural job, it just seemed like boom, they started stacking at each other, and your confidence stacks as that goes as well. And with the expertise and the knowledge from Cory and the guidance, that helped us grow immensely. So we were able to do one structural job a month, make it 2, 3. And so it was just a great opportunity and a great experience. So the biggest thing with owning a business is garnering as many leads as possible. And so if you're only offering mold remediation, crawl space waterproofing, and crawl space encapsulation, that's awesome. That's great. You will potentially do very well. However, adding a structural component to your jobs and your services helps you grow tenfold. It just opens up so many more avenues, and structural repair is a hard to find service for many people. And so if they can count on you to do their structural repair, do their waterproofing, mold remediation, and crawl space encapsulation, They don't have to go to anyone else. And that just opens up your ability to grow. And Cory gave us that ability when he showed us that service. There are a few people who have helped me in this industry with our business as much as Cory has. He's done a phenomenal job supporting me every step of the way. And I greatly appreciate all of his feedback and his knowledge and guidance through this process. And I do not think you would regret this decision in moving forward with having him as a mentor. It has been a phenomenal experience. I owe a lot of our growth to Cory and the abilities that he's given us to grow as a business, not just in structural repair, but in sales, in logistics, and just in a business mindset. Without him, our business wouldn't be where it was, and it's been a great experience.